Hi guys and welcome back to today's video. I hope you are all very well. If you guys have seen my last couple of videos, you'll know that I'm filming lots of advent calendar videos over the next week or so just because advent calendars sell out so quick. If you watched my advent calendar roundup, which had 17 different advent calendars, you'll know that I was the most excited about my Charlotte Tilbury advent calendar. It's kind of a advent calendar, kind of not of advent calendar. They are calling it Charlotte Tilbury's Beauty Universe, but it has 12 doors. But I think it's basically a 12-day advent calendar, but also a great one to give as a gift. If you're looking for a more luxury beauty present, I think this is so beautiful. I'm so excited to be unboxing this, but also a little bit sad that I'm not unboxing it in December. I am going to just start by saying that there aren't any numbers on the doors, or the drawers in this case, so I'm just going to start from the top and work my way down. This advent calendar is £150 and it's out now, and it's available in Selfridges, Charlotte Tilbury, Feel Unique and lots of other places like that as well. This burgundy shade covered in glitter, it's so beautiful. It has these two little doors which open like this, and it's definitely a beauty setup. You can keep this box, fill it with jewellery after. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with mine, but I'm probably going to fill it with something because it's just too beautiful to throw away. And then the drawers look like this. And then inside is a product wrapped in tissue paper. Let's start with this drawer. I'm so sad that I'm not doing this over Christmas, but it feels too sad to package it back up and pretend that I haven't seen it in December. I just can't get to it. I'm gonna rip it. It's a full-size colour chameleon in amber haze for brown eyes. It's one of her little crayons. It's in this brown shade. It's very beautiful, very soft. I do have some colour chameleons, but I don't have this shade, so I'm very excited to try that. And it's a full-size product, and it's always great to have a full-size product in an advent calendar. Moving across one, this is a matte contour liquid lip. This is part of the Hollywood Lips range, and again it's another full size. I'm very excited to see so many full sizes in here. At least I believe it's a full size, and it's a beautiful red shade. I haven't tried any of the Charlotte Tilbury liquid lipsticks. It's just that one there. It's beautiful. And it's in the colour Screen Siren. And so far, this has already been a great calendar. The only thing I would say is there's quite a lot of tissue paper. Okay. Then we have a Rock and Coal. Any beauty lover has heard of the Charlotte Tilbury Rock and Coals. This is in black, I think. Yeah, in bedroom black. I do believe this is a slightly smaller pencil than you would buy in store, but it's just a black eyeliner. Super creamy, and definitely one that I feel most people would absolutely love. And actually all the products have been very wearable, as long as you wear red lips, but I feel like lots of people wear red lips, so it's been great so far. Onto this drawer, more endless tissue paper. This is Charlotte Tilbury Take It All Off Genius Eye Makeup Remover. So this is a smaller version. This would be great to travel with. It's a 30ml. It's a biphase, I believe that's what it's called, so you shake it up. I've heard this eye makeup remover is amazing. So although potentially not the most exciting product, it's definitely a good one to have, and definitely one that I would definitely be using. Oh, it's got like bubbles. It's really cool actually. Not that it needs to be very cool, but very excited to try this. On to the last one from up here, and inside the endless tissue paper there is a Eyes to Mesmerise long lasting eye colour. I don't think I've tried any of these actually. Oh, this is nice. It's in a really lovely wearable shade, which I think would work on most skin tones and most people would absolutely love. It's a really pretty like champagne shimmery shade. I absolutely love that. That could definitely become an everyday product for me. I knew I would love this calendar. And again, that's a full size, it's 7ml. Next drawer, all the tissue paper. In here there is a Full Fat Lashes mascara. Now this one is a mini mascara, but I'm totally okay with that. Mini mascaras are actually really hard to come by, and sometimes I just need one to travel with or to keep in my handbag, because actually mascaras are quite big and chunky, so very excited to try that. The brush inside is still the regular size, so looking forward to that. I don't think I've ever tried this mascara. I've tried one of her other mascaras, but I don't think I've ever tried this. And thankfully it's in the colour black. Sometimes I find that advent calendars put in some wacky mascara colours, which I feel like are leftovers. This calendar does not feel like that at all. Next, a lipstick. I love Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. You know what? I don't have this shade. I think I'm the only person that doesn't have this shade. I'm obviously not, but I feel like I'm one of the very few people that does not have this shade. I have the lip liner, but I don't have the lipstick. And this, of course, is the very iconic Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. I feel like it's almost impossible that I don't have this lipstick, but I'm pretty sure I don't. I'm very, very excited to try this. Although, actually, is this one of the new products? I think this actually might be new-ish. I don't think this was a core colour initially, because I feel like this was one of the colours. She obviously had a Pillow Talk lip liner, which everyone was raving about. So far I'm very, very impressed, Charlotte Tilbury. You've pretty much never let me down. Then this is a Multi-Miracle Glow, a cleanser, mask and balm for baby soft skin. It's nice that there are some skincare products in here, because as exciting as makeup is, I feel like over December we all need a bit of pampering, so it's great to see this in here. And her skincare is quite pricey. This is a 15ml, so obviously it's a sample size, but a great sample size, and I'm sure I'd get a few uses out of this. I'm not sure how I would open this if this were my advent calendar, because I feel like maybe I'd want to mix up the drawer sizes. But this is Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream. This was actually in one of the previous advent calendars I opened. It was inside my Feel Unique advent calendar. I have actually used this cream before and I really, really liked it. I'm very excited to see this in here. It's a very pricey product, and this is a 15ml again, still very luxury looking packaging, and I'm very excited to have this back in my life. Then this is the Goddess Skin Clay Mask. I have never used this, but I have heard her masks are quite good, so I am very excited to use this. I do actually really like a clay mask. This visibly lifts, soothes, brightens and tightens pores for baby skin. And again, this is another 15ml, so I'll probably get 2 or 3 uses out of this as well. Penultimate drawer, and another squeezy tube. This is Wonderglow. I actually do have this, I'm pretty sure. Maybe I don't. And it's also another 15ml. Very excited to try that. This one is a multiple use Wonderglow. You can use it under your foundation, over your foundation. And then the final drawer, unlike the other advent calendars where I suggest that the final drawer is always the best one, I don't think this will be the case with this one because they're not numbered. This is a Supermodel body. Oh, I've heard such good things about this and I've never tried it. Cheat your way to a Supermodel body in a tube. I'm not sure I'm going to get a Supermodel body by using this, but I'll give it a good go. I've heard this gives your skin a really beautiful glow. So again, perfect for party season. So I am definitely going to use that. And once again, it's 15ml. And that was all 12 products that come in this year's Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Universe. I think that's an excellent advent calendar. I believe it's probably worth over £150 because there are quite a few full-size products there, and Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks do run about £30, I believe, and there's like a few other products that are around that price point. And just generally, I love Charlotte Tilbury. If you're feeling very generous and looking to give someone a beautiful advent calendar, this is 100% which one I would go for, but it's £150, it's quite a pricey gift. Or if you're buying yourself a nice treat, this is a really, really beautiful treat. I think for £150, actually for Charlotte Tilbury, it's a good price. Very, very excited about this. I don't mind that there's 12 doors because at least there's 12 doors filled with great products, and just generally I'm very excited about this advent calendar. I'm gonna go put all these products on my face right now because I'm just so excited. I just love Charlotte Tilbury, if you can't tell. I think that's something to bear in mind. Obviously, if there is another brand that you love way more than Charlotte Tilbury, then probably go for that one. But Charlotte Tilbury is such a beautiful brand, and even if you don't buy this advent calendar, I think Charlotte Tilbury is a great option for beauty gifts as well. So if you are looking to gift any beauty addict a nice gift, I would have a good look in Charlotte Tilbury because it's just so beautiful. But that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Down below I'm going to link my previous advent calendar videos because there's a few of them now, but I shall see you all tomorrow in my next video. It's probably not going to be as luxury as this, but do let me know what you would like to see next because I've got a few more videos to film. See you soon. Bye.